Hey everybody, how's it going? It's a bright sunny day here in Portland, Oregon. It is May and the weather is wonderful. And I'm going back to Pets on Broadway and going to be painting some cats and dogs and snakes and birds and stuff. Alright, I'll see you in a few. Well, I'm here at Pets on Broadway at 28th and Broadway here in Northeast Portland. And beautiful sunny day. And this is going to be my last window here. So I think what I'm going to do is, what I did before is I would do the seasons each time, but this time I'm going to incorporate all the seasons. So I think I'll start with summer or spring and then maybe summer, and then over here do fall and then winter. I wanted to end up with winter because I'm going to have a cat or something throwing snowballs around, so that I can do a design that's high up in the air. And but anyway, let's get a look at what we got over here. This stuff is all permanent. And it'll look like this 10 years from now, probably. And this stuff can be cleaned off when it gets stuff on the window. You can wipe it off if it gets dirt on it or whatever. Because if you look close, you can see the clear on it. So it has 2 coats of clear. I got some more kind of realistic animals down here. And then the entryway. And this one looks good too. With the fish and stuff. It's pretty bright. Anyway, so yeah, because this is going to be my last window here, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate all the seasons on the end. And maybe I'll put a clear over it too. And they can just leave it up. They can leave it up forever. All right. So I decided what I'm going to do on this side, on the left side of this base, I'm going to put in summer and spring, or spring and summer, and then over here on this other side, these other 3 panels and the tall panel, I'm going to do winter. And then on the very end, the last window, I'm going to put all seasons are pet seasons. Alright, this kitty's coming along. She's going to be juggling snowballs so I can get some height on this window, utilize how tall it is. Right now I'm just doing all the second coat of the white. Some areas I just paint, I don't do a second coat, like this fuchsia and that green down there. And then I'm going to do some teal for the water and a bunch of leaves. No white on those, just use direct color. Alright, I'm laying in some highlights and shadows now. I'm getting closer. Got a lot of the colors in. Okay, I got all the colors laid in. Very pleased with this one. A lot of all the different seasons and stuff. And next I'll be doing the black, which is the fun part, of course. But I've got this flower here. I love this guy. So kooky. And then a little boy cat. He's got a cute little feminine flower. There's a fish. There's my hot dogger, surfer. Oh, I got to do a highlight on the tree or the leaves still. I got this my typical bird. Oh, I still got to do the red tongue. Got the snake sliding down the hill and the cute kitty. Hi. Then over here I'm going to write, all seasons are pet seasons. Okay, next I will do the black. Okay, now I got all the highlights and shadows in. You got all the highlights on the fall leaves. I really love this kitty. It's cute. Okay, now on to the black. Okay, I am all finished. Just finished the black. Let's take a peek. That about wraps it up. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.